Hey, stop. Are you tired of car mess? Bottles here, tissue there, phone lost somewhere? Then don't worry, we got you covered.
Autofurnish brings you the ultimate solution: 3D premium car seat organizer. Stylish, durable, and super functional. This organizer is crafted with high quality PU leather, giving your car a premium and elegant look. But also waterproof and easy to clean.
It has 10 well designed pockets for bottles, tissues, your phone, iPad, documents, and even an umbrella.
And you know the best part? It has a folding meal tray, strong enough to hold your snacks, drinks, or even a laptop when you are on the go.
Basically, everything stays in one place and within easy reach. Whether it's a road trip, daily office travel, or a long drive, this organizer makes your journey comfortable and clutter-free.
So why compromise with messy cars when you can upgrade with Autofurnish car seat organizer?
Order today only on autofurnish.com.